Just take a look at this tribe living today that's never seen a supermarket, never needed money, and still survives better than most of us. Deep in the wild lands of Tanzania, the Hadza people live like the first humans did over 10,000 years ago. No farming, no electricity, no permanent homes. Every day, they rise with the sun, craft their own weapons, hunt with poisoned arrows, and gather wild berries from trees that remember ancient footsteps. They don't own land, yet the land gives them everything. No bosses, no number 9 to 5, just pure, instinctive survival, powered by ancestral knowledge passed down through generations. In a world obsessed with tech and speed, they are a living time machine. And somehow, they're thriving. This isn't fiction. This is the Hadza. And their story is one the modern world was never meant to forget. If you're curious about how they hunt, eat, and thrive, hit that subscribe button and step into a world untouched by time.